Are you tired? I think she's about ready for a nap. She doesn't want to walk anymore. Hi, Ellie. High five, baby. Even in her sleep, she's trying to run away. Oh, hey there, babe. What's up? Say bye.
Bye.
What's good, YouTube? Thank you for keeping up with the A's. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Ellie! Say hi! Say what's up! What's up? That's it? That's it? Where are we at right now? Are you ready? Are you ready to go? Are you ready?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Who do we got here? Are you ready to go to the park? Yeah? You ready? Alright, let me unstrap you. Go. You can run.
Run, Forrest! Run!
There he is. She literally hasn't moved since we got here. Normally she'll run to the park, but I don't know what's going on. Such a beautiful weather today. I think it's because there's just two kids playing in the park. Come on, Ellie. What are you doing? I'm gonna grab her. Go chase them. Go get them. You did it. You're playing. Go ahead. Go down the slide. Go down the slide. No, you can't pick that up.
No. No, I tagged you. I tagged you, girl.
Was that fun? Did you have fun? You want to go again? One more time? All right, go. What are you smiling about?
Frank!
What are you sitting on? Are you gonna fall? You don't want to fall. He's like blanking out. What are you staring at? Yeah. Come on, get down. Get down. Are you stuck? And we're done at the park. It sprinkled for like 5 seconds. And then it stopped raining. And can I get my hat back, Ellie? Look at how nice the weather is though. Oh, that was a fly. I'm gonna take Ellie to see the beach. Hi, Ellie. You need to take a nap. You haven't had your nap yet. I hope you get tired. You say hi to YouTube? Say hi to YouTube. Oh, that's my hat. Ah. Say, give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. That's right, exhaust all your energy so you can take a nap. That's the plan. That's the plan, isn't it? Where you going? The beach is that way. So beautiful. Check that out, guys. It's a nice island weather. Hey, hey, hey. Those aren't for you to touch. Looks like the park just got new containers for the trash can. Really needs it because there's barely any trash cans around here. Got a lot of people littering. Hey, where'd you go? I can't find you. There you are. There you are. Come on, let's get out of there. Allie, you wanna go home? So you wanna go home? You wanna go home and take a nap? Can you say bye to the camera? Say bye. Purple. Say purple. Say purple. Huh? What? What'd you say? Say purple. Purple. You can say it. I know you can. I believe in you. I believe. I believe. Okay. Say bye now. Say bye. Bye. Say hi. Looks like Allie mad and your friend. Who's your new friend, Allie? Say hi. And the park date with Allie is complete. High five. High five, baby. She is exhausted. She's tired. And I think she's ready to pass out. She didn't want to walk anymore, which is a good thing. Not a good thing, but you can tell she's tired. She don't want to walk no more. She's gonna take her nap. We're gonna go home, meet up with mommy. Allie's getting cranky already. Okay, okay, let's go. Say bye. Peace out. We'll see you guys at home. Park always works. She doesn't want to nap, or she's fighting nap. The beach park is like 3 to 5 minutes down the road. So Arish and I like to take her out, but Arish wanted some alone time from her because she's been so rowdy lately. But my job here is done. She's taking a nap, so I'll go upstairs, take her in, chill, edit some more videos. So see y'all then.